I am LK Atik. I am Principal Secretary Rural Development and Panchayat Raj, Government of Karnataka. I am also the chairperson for community involvement for COVID in both rural and urban areas. COVID is an epidemic and it's a challenging issue. When we look at COVID at a macro level for the entire state or for an entire city, it looks like a formidable challenge. It is a formidable challenge. However, if we try to break down the problem of COVID to a smaller subdivisions, for example, Bangalore city, the BBMP has 27 assembly segments and 198 wards. So if we look at the problem of COVID from the perspective of each assembly segment, and within each assembly segment, if you look at those 7 to 8 wards, and at each ward level, if you see what are the COVID challenges that the ward faces, what are the solutions that the ward can find at the ward level and implement them. So when you decentralize the issue, when you break it down to a lower level, we find that the solutions are relatively easier, number one. Number two, it is not enough to administratively break it down. You need to also involve the community, because people are the largest stakeholder in it. And if you involve community, particularly in a context where the government officials are already facing fatigue and we are facing shortage of officers, at that point of time, we find that the community is coming forward to cooperate, to work. And therefore, when you involve community representatives like the MLAs, the ward corporators, and other elected members or nominated members of the ward level committees, and then you go down at the booth level. And at the booth level, you look at the booth level officials of BBMP. In addition to them, you also choose some citizen volunteers. You ask people at the booth as to would you be willing to work with us on COVID care and management? And my experience is a lot of people will come forward. And therefore, I believe that if we involve community at the decentralized level, we can find the solutions to COVID problems more effectively. And to the extent of 80% of the problems perhaps could be solved at the ward level itself. If only those, that smaller proportion of the problem which requires a higher level of medical care, which requires hospitalization, ventilators, etc., that can be escalated to a higher level. Otherwise, a large part of the problem can be solved if we have empowered entities at the ward level and booth level. We have seen this experience in Gram Panchayats. We set up Gram Panchayat task forces. The Gram Panchayat task forces, when they were empowered, when they were called upon to perform an effective role in COVID management, we found that they did a lot of they took a lot of initiatives, found a lot of solutions at their level and implemented them. Based on the same experience, we feel that in urban areas, we can decentralize the problem, empower the ward level entities, and then try to find solutions, and the wards can in turn work with booth level formations.